Jamaican Olympic champion Fraser Pryce signs deal with luxury watch brand Richard Mille. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Multi-Olympic and World Sprint champion Fraser Pryce has signed a deal to become an ambassador for a luxury watch brand Richard Mille. The announcement was made through a post on Richard Mille's Instagram page shared with Fraser Pryce. The caption reads, "On your mark, get set, go. Olympic gold medalist and world champion Fraser Pryce has joined the Richard Mille's family. The proud Jamaican pocket rocket and the most decorated athlete in the 100-meter is setting her sights on future glory at the Paris Olympics in 2024. This marks Fraser Pryce's first non-apparel endorsement deal outside of Jamaica and makes her the second Jamaican to be associated with the luxury watch brand, following in the footsteps of 2011 world champion Johan Blake. Renowned for crafting high-priced timepieces, the Swiss luxury watch company Richard Mille, recognized for enlisting top-tier sports personalities as ambassadors. Fraser Pryce now joins a distinguished group of track and field athletes associated with the brand. At age 36 years old, Fraser Pryce is regarded as one of the greatest athletes in track and field history, boasting an illustrious career that includes 100-meter championship and 2 Olympic titles. Fraser Pryce expressed with Richard Mille, "Everything starts with a common vision. It's about pushing barriers. People have always told me what I could or couldn't do. I wanted to be part of a brand that knows about timing and where age doesn't limit your progress. At the end of the day, we have the same vision as it pertains to our legacy. What we want to achieve is timeless," Fraser Pryce said. Amanda Mille, brand and partnership director of Richard Mille, remarks, "Shelley is not just only a world champion, she's a strong woman who combines with being a mother. As if she wasn't already enough, she finds the energy for charity work, and this all-round commitment totally reflects our values." This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.